This is the last time you're actually going to see the Aston Martin on our channel. I have sold it and it's going on Sunday. I'm going to be making a massive drive. We're actually doing about 4.5 hours to go and drop this car off and to pick the new car up. So it is the last time you're going to see the Aston Martin, and I don't know why, but that's starting to make me think that the Aston Martin is actually even better than I used to think it was, and I did used to think it was cool. It really started to grow me. If you watch the earlier videos, you will see that it wasn't my favourite car. I didn't like it at all at first. I was quite disappointed in it, and then it really started to grow on me, and it did help, obviously, having the wrap that we did here, the spoiler, the side skirts, the extensions, the rear diffuser, and then when Tony Banks did the exhaust, obviously it made that car next level. It sounds insane. It is, obviously, like I've just said, it's actually going, and it'll be gone on Sunday. So the new channel, the new car will be on the channel probably Sunday, Monday, or one of the next vlogs. But we've asked you to guess what it is, because I don't think anyone's going to actually be able to work out what we've actually bought, what it is. You're just not going to guess. So leave us some comments. We want to see if anyone can actually figure out what I'm going to be picking up. In the meantime, I'm about to show you the X5 that we've finished, which is my daily, and I'm going to show you how seriously cool that looks. So as you might be aware, I'm getting old, the X5 is obviously now my daily. The M3 is also going, and that's actually going to SUV Prestige. They're going to be selling that car on our behalf. So if you're looking for probably one of the best spec M3s with a lot of additional work that's been carried out, engine work, the common faults like the oil issues, that's going to be with them for sale. It's obviously got a massive spec. It's on eBay at the minute, but SUV Prestige are going to be basically selling that on our behalf, and they obviously offer finance and a few other things. I'm actually just about to bite some bird shit off the X5. I don't know what it is. It looks like Big Bird's been on our roof and it's absolutely splattered it, but I'm going to show you and get you a bit of a montage of what the X5 looks like, because honestly, this is more than just a winter car for me. I've really started to get into this car. The spec of it, again, mega high spec, and it just does everything I need, especially when you're old and you have a bad back. Now, when I was saying about the spec on this, it is really spec'd up. The only thing is, and this is being totally honest, the car isn't the newest of the models, so it's kind of on the facelift sort of area. And what we've had done is, if anybody's watched our previous posts, we had Lewis, who basically does a lot of coding on BMWs, and he's Scotland, but he's done a lot of this remotely. And what he's actually done, and I'm going to put a link to his Facebook and his website actually on this blog, because it's only fair, but Lewis has literally coded a million things on this car to make it much better than it already is. So we've had things like the lights improve, the brightness, the wattage, the boot screen, start stop's been turned off because I hate start stop. I can't stand it. There's a lot of things that he's basically changed on this for me to improve it massively, like the way it starts up, the mode that it's in, so it's more in Eco Pro when it starts, and then I can adjust it. And I think it's only fair that we give a big shout out to Lewis, who's done that, because I literally contacted him randomly, again, just saying, look, Lewis, I bought another car, can you have a look at it? He logged straight in and he did it straight away for us, and that is the same as what he's done last time I asked him to do anything on that car. So big thanks to Lewis, I really do appreciate that, mate. We've got some products and some things on the way to you. They've been shipped today just as a thank you from us. And again, look in the comments, guys, because I'm going to be putting a link to his Facebook and website in there for any coding that you need. He does all the Apple Play coding, the wireless Apple Play, and loads of other features that you can't get. He's also sorted me out with some of the latest maps, so we've got the newest maps on file now, because mine were like 2018, so they're a bit out of date. So again, thanks again, Lewis, and just have a look for his link. Cheers. 5, as you know, we picked it up probably, I'm losing track of time, but about 3 weeks ago, and a lot's gone on obviously since then, and 3 or 4 cars have actually moved around with our stock as well. So what we've done since this, we've basically fitted the M Performance kit, so it does look like a full M car. I've changed it and got the carbon wing vents that are inside there as well. the carbon M style mirror caps, which some people don't like, but they obviously look a bit like an M3. And then we've actually put the additional spoiler on the top as well. Now this is a little bit similar spec to the customer's car we did about a month ago now, where he brought that in from brand new and we fitted a full carbon kit on that, and it did look insane. Yeah, the kit were actually better than mine, and it's a brand new version, so it's changed a little bit. It's the G50 I think it is, but to me this is an amazing daily car. I can actually pick stock up in it, I can pick the family up in it, I can get to work in it with heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated seats in the back, really high-end stereo system in it. Someone's ticked quite a lot of boxes on this because it's got the lane control and all the other crap that you get. But for me this is a hell of a daily. The things that did let it down is the 20-inch wheels, which is a massive wheel, and when you take it off, honestly, it looks absolutely huge. The problem was it looks small on the X5, so we've ordered from Poland these 22-inch rims, and they are absolutely insane. I think you still could have got away with 24s, or maybe we need to lower it. I don't know, let us know what you think. But again, with the tyres on that, we struggled to get the tyres. There were nothing available, and we've had to mismatch a little bit, which I don't like doing. So it's got Vereda signs on the back and it's got Toyos on the front, and that's because we literally couldn't get the same style of tyre for it. But it's running a 335 on the rear. It's 335, 25, 22, so it's a massive rim. And like I said, this is the daily. I'm going to give you a bit of a montage on here, and the next video you see will have the new car that I'm picking up, that you're probably never going to guess what it actually is.